Hey everybody, it's your friend Jenna from Uncomplicated Kitchen, and right now I'm gonna show you how to make super quick refrigerator pickles. The first thing that you have to do when getting ready to make your refrigerator pickles is to prep your veggies. In this case, we're using cucumbers. All I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut these into really thin chips, but if you wanna do spears or big chunks, it's up to you. Just make sure they're all consistent size. Okay, so I'm just gonna cut off the little teeny end here. I'm gonna use this grater right here. I'm just gonna keep my fingers way far back because this blade is very sharp. So I'm not gonna cut any further than that. Safety first, y'all. Good. And it's not that the cucumber is gonna go to waste. I'm gonna eat it, of course. All right, now we're gonna get our cucumber chips right into the jar. So these are refrigerator pickles. These are not pickles that are shelf stable at all. They must remain cold in order to be food safe. So all you really need to do is have the cucumbers there before you add your brine. But I love garlic, and so I'm just gonna smash a few garlic cloves here. You can also add things like super hot peppers. You could add them fresh, you could add them dried. It's really up to you. The thing that I love about these pickles is it is so easy to make. What you need is basically enough brine to just cover what you've got in your jar. So for me, that's gonna be about 2 cups of brine. So I need to do 1 cup of vinegar, 1 cup of water. We're gonna do 3 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of salt. We're gonna get that to come up to a boil, and then we're gonna pour it right over these veggies. All right, now we're gonna make our brine. So we're gonna combine 1 cup of water, 1 cup of white vinegar, 3 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of salt. I use kosher salt. If you're using a table salt, you might want to reduce that all the way down to 1 tablespoon instead. And then we're gonna bring that to a boil. Sugar is dissolved, salt is dissolved, brine is super hot. You can see it's come up to a boil. Now we're gonna shut off the heat, and we're gonna pour this right into our jar. You can absolutely do this over the sink if you need to. So we just need to make sure that all of our veggies are submerged. And of course, this is a mason jar. It is very, very heat proof. And that's what you wanna use. You cannot make this in something plastic. You have to make sure it is very heat safe. All right, I just like to take a knife and just make sure that I get out a lot of the air bubbles. Make sure everything is submerged. I'm gonna let it cool for just a couple of minutes, enough till it's a bit more comfortable to touch, and then it's gonna go right in the fridge. Pickles have chilled for a while. Gonna make sure they're delicious, of course. Salty and sweet and crunchy, and now I think I just need a burger. Until next time, everybody, bye.